Hey, 7C. This is not me coming from North Portland today. I'm over at my dear in-laws stealing their internet because the internet has gone down at my house. And it probably is going to be down till Tuesday, they tell me, hopefully sooner. I will find a place to keep office hours both Monday and Tuesday in case the internet doesn't come back. But right now, I'm not getting emails. I'm not able to like check Canvas or do any of the things I normally do at home. So putting this together, and this is your assignment for the week. So give me a second. First thing down here, if you go to today in humanities, step one is you're watching this. Congratulations, you're on step one. Step two, you're going to read two articles on the Industrial Revolution. It's a text set, and both today, Monday, and Wednesday's lessons, you get to choose whatever article. When you click that link, it's going to take you to the actual assignment. And it said Monday, read two articles and take the reading quiz. Wednesday, read two articles and take the reading quiz. If you come down here to this link, it's going to open up another tab. So last time some people were having trouble finding that link. The link is just right down here. And it will pull it up. And there's 9 different articles to choose from. I'm only going to have you read 4 this week. So 2 today and 2 on Wednesday. If you want to read all 4 right away, that's totally fine. Okay. And there you go. So that's the first couple steps. As always with these Newsela, let's see if I can find these. I have all your names here. As always, as we've done all year long, one of the things I really like you to do is when you're done reading through the entire thing, and you can read at any level you want, you could change the reading level at any point, go to activities, and then right here you're going to select quiz. There are 4 questions. These 4 questions are all multiple choice. Take your time, but be sure to go back and find the text that supports this. Okay, so those are step 1 and 2 of today's assignment. Now, keep going back here. Give me a second. There was also steps 3 and 4. Actually, that was 1, 2, and 3. Step 4, what I want you to do is go onto this discussion thread right here, and the link is here, and it says what changes, what stays the same. On this discussion thread, I'd like you to write a quick paragraph, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentences long. It doesn't have to be too long, but I would like you to combine ideas that you've read in both the articles that you've seen. And everything that you've seen is going to have, be talking about change, right? So the question you're going to answer when you're thinking about this is this: how did this event, invention, or innovation change daily life? So let's just take a second and talk about this real quick. The first thing I want to do, I got all this, right, is right here, event. Event could be something like building a railway, or an event could be a war, or an event could be an election, or an event could be something that happens in history. Okay? Now, an invention is a thing. An invention is something that never existed before. And during this period of time, there was inventions like the telephone, there are inventions like the automobile, the combustion engine, the cotton gin. Like there's just invention. It's like the first time it was ever created. So it was brand new. Sometimes we also have an innovation. And an innovation is something that already existed, but it gets better, right? So Elon Musk has made the Tesla, right? We already had electric cars. We already had automobiles. But Tesla's kind of like an innovation, right? It's the same thing, yet it's improved upon. It's twisted and it's created in a better way, right? It goes faster, it's cheaper, right? It lasts, the charge lasts as longer. There's a lot of innovations, right? Something that already exists, but gets improved upon. Now, finally, like changed daily life. We've talked about this before, but daily life is just like how we all live, like the food we eat, how we learn, how we live, what kind of clothes we wear, right? What kind of homes we live in, our comfort level, just things that everyone experiences all the way through, okay? So you're going to answer this question in the discussion on Monday. You're going to read a couple articles. On Wednesday, you're going to read a couple articles, and I want you to go back and start responding to some of those things that you've already seen. I will do my best to keep office hours, which I totally will, 2 to 3 on Monday. I'll find a place. But if you have questions earlier in the day, doesn't look like I'm going to have internet.